तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम नमः पाणिनिकात्यायन पतंजलिभ्यः शब्द विद्या संप्रदाय कर्तृभ्यो वंश ऋषिभ्यो महद्भ्यो मुनिभ्यो गुरुभ्यः नमस्कारः। स्वागतम्। तत्र अस्माकं कक्षां प्रति षड्विंशत्युत्तरत्रिशततमी कक्षा 326th क्लास टुडे। भवन्तः जानन्ति किं पठ्यमानम् अस्ति अस्माभिः। विदुरनीतिशतकं शतकात् एतावत्पर्यन्तं 47 श्लोकाः समाप्ताः। मुख्यश्लोकाः 47 श्लोकाः पठिताः। एतैः बहवः सम्बद्धाः श्लोकाः अपि पठिताः सन्ति। अद्य वयम् अष्टोत्तर-40 श्लोकं पठितुम् एतस्मात् शतकात् विदुरनीतिशतकात् अष्टोत्तर-40 श्लोकं पठितुं गच्छामः। श्लोकस्य शीर्षमस्ति शीर्षकं त्रयं त्यजेतिति। तत्र किमपि दत्तमस्ति। त्रीणि त्यजेतिति, त्रयाणां त्रयं त्यजेत्। किं तत्त्रयं, कानि तानि त्रीणि, इदानीं वयं पश्यामः। We are going to read the 48th poem out of the 100 poems of Viduraniti. 47 have been read already, and many related poems, hundreds of related poems have been studied by us. Today the caption of the poem, 48th poem, is Trayam Tyajet. One should give up the trio. What's that trio is, we are going to see that.
त्रिविधं नरकस्येदं द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः कामः क्रोधस्तथा लोभस्तस्मादेतत् त्रयं त्यजेत्।
अयं श्लोकः साक्षात् गीतायामपि अस्ति, अधः दत्तः अस्ति। 16 अध्याये गीतायाम् अपि समानः श्लोकः, स एव अयमेव श्लोकः तत्र दत्तः अस्ति। एवमेव विदुरनीतौ अपि विद्यमान अयं श्लोकः वर्तते। तो पदच्छेदं कुर्मः।
त्रिविधं नरकस्य इदं द्वारं
नाशनम् आत्मनः कामः क्रोधः तथा
लोभः तस्मात्
एतत् त्रयं
त्यजेत्।
सो त्रयं त्यजेत् इति अन्ते, श्लोकस्य अन्ते अस्ति। तदेव अस्य श्लोकस्य शीर्षकमेव दत्तमस्ति। सन्धयः तु बहुत्र विसर्ग एव दृश्यते। मोस्टली इट इज विसर्ग संधि, इट लुक्स। कामः नो संधि, क्रोधस्तथा दैट इज विसर्ग, लोभस्तस्मात् लोभः विसर्ग संधि, तस्माद् एतत् दैट इज अ सिंपल जॉइनिंग, त्रयं त्यजेत्, and only visarga sandhi is prominently seen here in this sloka.
First line also one more sandhi, narakasya idam.
Idam, that is guna sandhi. Narakasyedam, narakasya plus idam. Narakasyedam, that is guna sandhi. Nashanam, that is not a sandhi as such. Nashanam plus atmana. We are joining hal with swara, that is simple joining. So त्रिविधं नरकस्य इदं द्वारं नाशनम् आत्मनः कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः तस्मात् एतत् त्रयं त्यजेत् इति। एतत् त्रयं, त्रिविधं, त्रिप्रकारं, त्रिविधं नाम त्रिप्रकारं तत्र नाशनं वर्तते। कस्य? आत्मनः नाशनं। द्वारं, त्रिविधं द्वारं, तत्र नाशनं द्वारं, नाशनस्य द्वारं, नरकस्य द्वारं, नरकस्य द्वारं, आत्मनः नाशनं। त्रिप्रकारं नरकस्य द्वारं तत्र अस्ति, आत्मनः नाशनं च भवति। कीदृशं त्रिविधं तत्र नरक नाशनं वर्तते अथवा द्वारं वर्तते इत्युक्ते, कामः इति एकः, क्रोधः इति द्वितीयः, लोभः इति तृतीयः। एतान् त्रीन् त्यक्त्वा मनुष्यः इव भवति। मानवः मनीषी भवति, मनुष्यः मनीषी भवति। इति तत्र अभिप्रायः स्यात्। वयम् अन्वयं पश्य, परन्तु अन्वयार्थः अत्र मुद्रणे तत्र किमपि सञ्जातं, देयर इज अ मिस्टेक। अन्वयः इज नॉट गिवन, नॉट प्रिंटेड, भावार्थ इज प्रिंटेड डाउन देयर। कामः क्रोधः, that is bhavartha, that is bhavartha. Anvaya is missing. Bhavartha is printed down, which should have come up. The printing, some problem is there. Anyway, narakasya trividham dwaram idam, narakasya idam trividham dwaram नाशनम आत्मनः नाशनम कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत् त्रयं त्यजेत्। सिंपल अन्वय, अन्वय इज वेरी सिंपल। नरकस्य इदं त्रिविधं द्वारम आत्मनः नाशनम च, अंडरस्टूड। कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः तस्मादेतत् त्रयं त्यजेत् इति। भावार्थः संस्कृते पठतु इदानीं। Or even if you take the अन्वयार्थ, कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः इदं आत्मनः नाशनम इदं त्रिविधं नरकस्य द्वारम। कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः इदं त्रिविधं नरकस्य द्वारम आत्मनः नाशनम तस्मात् एतत् त्रयं त्यजेत्। That's all. That is the अन्वयार्थ। कामः क्रोधः तथा लोभः इदं त्रिविधं नरकस्य द्वारम आत्मनः नाशनम तस्मात् एतत् त्रयं त्यजेत् इति। इदानीं भावार्थं पठतु।
कामः क्रोधः लोभः इति एतत् त्रयं नरकद्वारं भवति।
ओके। काम क्रोध लोभ इति, these three, काम lust, क्रोध is rage, लोभ is greed इति एतत् त्रयं, this trio, this एतेषां त्रयाणां समाहार त्रयम्, एतत् त्रयं, this trio नरकद्वारं भवति, is the gate to hell, is the entrance to hell. Next, एतैः
त्रिभिः आत्मा प्रणश्यति अतः एतानि त्रीणि त्यजेत्।
एतैः त्रिभिः नरकद्वारैः आत्मा प्रणश्यति। With these three things, कामेन क्रोधेन लोभेन अथवा कामक्रोधलोभैः, कामेन क्रोधेन लोभेन अथवा कामक्रोधलोभैः एतैः त्रिभिः आत्मा प्रणश्यति। अतः therefore with these three things the soul will be perished, will be put to trouble. Therefore etani trini tyaje, therefore one should give up these three things which are the gates to the hell, which are the road leading to the hell, narakasya dwaram। यस्माद् एतत्त्रयम् एव सर्व अनर्थ मूलम् तस्माद् एतत्त्रयम् त्यजेत्। This is how it is clear. यस्माद्, since these three lead to the hell, therefore they should be abandoned। यस्माद् एतत्त्रयम् एव सर्वानर्थभूतम्, and they also lead to total destruction of a person। Therefore तस्माद् एतत्त्रयम् त्यजेत्, therefore one should give up or avoid these three what do you call, very important negative factors in man's life which lead on the wrong side, kama, krodha and lobha। Well, krodha is the byproduct of kama, you know that.
Yeah.
Kama is there, and through kama krodha you get lobha is something different, because of having excessive greed, desire turning into. So the root cause of all this is the desire, illicit desire, we say, that is kama. And There is one thing given which is, I think, wrong. We should tell the students there who are watching this. Yayoho imo iyoho manaha vyavaharaha buddhihi. That line has no relevance in the context here. This should be deleted, I suppose. Yayoho iyoho manaha vyavaharaha buddhihi parasparam samyena vartante tesham maitri chirasthayini bhavati. It is out of context here. From somewhere it has been printed. So please delete this line. Yayoho to bhavati, which is totally irrelevant in the present context. I think English translation is okay. Yes, these should be abandoned, right? Sambadhan slokan pashyamah.
First one is Sambadhau Sloka, only two are there.
Only two. Therefore, we make a correction and read Sambadhau Slokau. Dvaveva Slokau atra dattau staha. Sloka dvayameva dattamasti. Ekam patatu. Pratamaha samana slokaha.
From Gita.
Idanim maya uktam. Just now I said, this is the same appearing in Bhagavad Gita. In Viduraniti it is there, in also Bhagavad Gita, because the body of both the text body, the source is same, Mahabharata. Viduraniti is Mahabharata, Gita is also Mahabharata. Therefore, so we need not separately explain this. Narakasya idam, narakalokasya. Narakasya means narakalokasya. Nashanam vinashanam, vinashakaram. Lobha trushna. Greed, lobha, trishna, atmanaha, swasya, atmanaha, tatra nashanamiti, swasya, one's own destruction. So that's it. That the same explanation holds good here also. Second one. Again, Gita, there is a mistake given. This is from 3rd chapter. What is given is 7 number, 37 poem. So please make a correction. 3.37. 3rd chapter, 37 sloka. Yes, please go.
Kama eshaha krodha esha
Rajo
guna
samudbhavaha
mahashano mahapapma
vidhyena miha vairinam. Vidhyena miha vairinam. Now this sloka also explains the same thing in a different way. Kamaha eshaha krodha esha rajo guna rajaha raja guna rajaha plus guna samudbhavaha. Srinivas. If you do the pada cheda, kamaha eshaha krodha eshaha rajaha raja Rajaha, yes, Rajaha, Guna becomes Rajo, Rajas, that is Guna Samudbhavaha, Mahashanaha, Mahapapma, no Sandhi, Vidhi, like in the yesterday's sloka, Atmanam Ratinam Vidhi, Shariram Ratamevacha, Buddhim tu Saratim Vidhi, same Vidhi is here, Janihi, Vidhi Enam Iha Vairinam. This has to be specifically with the, with the verb previously studied. Enam. Idam shabda. Enam. Iha. So first this sandhi is vidhyenam iha. Yanadesha sandhi. Vidhi plus enam. E plus a is equal to ya. Vidhyenam. Vidhi enam. Enam means etam. Etam, this. Iha asmin samsare, asmin loke, vairinam. Katam vidhi, how to know this? Kama and krodha, kamesha, eshaha kamaha, eshaha krodha. Asmin loke, maha vairinam iti vidhi. Know it as the great enemy of mankind. Understand? So once I repeat it, Rajoguna samudbhavaha anvayartha, Rajoguna samudbhavaha eshaha kamaha. रजोगुण समुद्भवः एषः कामः, एषः रजोगुण समुद्भवः कामः. Kama is born out of this kama, this lust is born out of rajoguna. Kama is born out of rajoguna, not tamoguna. Rajoguna samudbhavaha eshaha kamaha. Eshaha krodhaha api rajoguna samudbhavaha. Kamat krodho bijayate iti Gita eva pramana tatra. So, कामक्रोधौ रजोगुण समुद्भवो उद्भवौ रजोगुणात् एव समुद्भवतः कामश्च क्रोधश्च. And they are further described as mahashanaha, maha plus ashanaha, mahashanaha, mahabhojanaha. They are great devourers, they are great eaters. They eat away the person. Mahashanaha, mahabhojanaha, mahapapma and mahakilbishaha, highly sinful. This is highly, gluttonous and sinful. Mahashanaha, mahapapma, mahakilbishaha, vidhi जानीहि एनम कामम एनम क्रोधम च. यदि कामः ज्ञायते क्रोधः अपि ज्ञायते. यदि कामस्वरूपं ज्ञायते तर्हि क्रोधस्वरूपमपि स्वयमेव ज्ञास्यते. It will be known automatically. If once the nature of lust is known, then the nature of wrath or anger will be known, because that is the byproduct of this, and both are born out of rajoguna. So kamaha rajoguna samudbhavaha eshaha kamaha eshaha krodhaha mahashanaha mahabhojanaha mahapapma mahakilbishaha vidhi janihi enam kamam vidhi iha asmin samsare vairinam shatrum maha. Vairinam iva vidhi. Vairinam vidhi. That's all. Know it to be your enemy. Know it to be your enemy. This lust and the anger. So mahad ashanam asya iti. Mahad ashanam. Mahashana. Ashanam means eating. Mahad ashanam asya asti iti mahad ashanam. Mahashanaha. Ashanaha. So that means it devours. It's a great devourer. It devours us, kama. And mahapapa, because that is highly sinful.
How this word mahapapa is derived? As it is akaranta strilinga?
This is like papman pullinga shabda. Atman like papman. Atma atmano atmanaha. Papma papmano papmanaha. Papma papmano papmanaha. Similar shabda mahapapman mahiman mahima mahimano mahimanaha. Mahima papma mahiman shabda is there. Mahima mahimano mahimanaha. Mahimanam mahimano mahimnaha. Mahimna mahimabhyam mahimabhihi. No, this is nakaranta actually. Mahiman shabda nakaranta, not akaranta pulli. Mahiman shabda. Mahiman, gariman, lagiman, anna, finally nakaranta it is. Did we study any like this? No, not so far. Nakaranta. Papman. Mahiman shabda we have not studied. I don't know. So that is like that. Mahima, mahimano. So mahapapma, papman. Then the rest is okay?
Yes.
Rajoguna samudbhavaha. Vidhi enam. Enam is makaranta shabda, pronoun, sarvanama shabda. Ayam, imau, ime. Imam, enam, etc.
Yeah.
So that is there. Enam, etam. Etam. Simple word etat shabda etam. Etam kamam vidhi वैरिणम् इह संसारे एतं कामं वैरिणं विद्धि, know it to be your enemy. So I think we can move on. Rajoguna samudbhava, you can understand rajogunat samutpannah utpannah. Krodha is rosha, anger, great wild anger. That is what I said in the beginning. The difference I made very clear. Kopa and Kopa is mild anger, Krodha is wild anger. That is the best way of saying. And over to Ekona Panchashattamaha Slokaha. Dhrutimayi Nauka. Form boat. Form boat. What that boat is, let us see.
Kamakrodha Grahavatim Panchendriya Jalam Nadim Navam Dhrutimayim Krutva Janma Durgani Santara. Padachita, sir. Kamakrodha Grahavatim Pancha Indriya Jalam Nadim Navam Dhrutimayim Krutva Janma Durgani Santara.
Yeah.
He Rajan Kamakrodha Grahavatim Panchendriya Janam Nadim Dhrutimayim Navam Krutva Janma Durgani Santara.
So very simple message is there. Padacheda is okay, done. Kamakrodha Grahavatim Pancha Indriya Jalam Nadim. So this earlier we came across such figure here. Earlier, Srinivas, same Nadi has come. One such poem has come earlier, last class. So, He Rajan, He Dhritarashtra, Kamakrodha Grahavatim Panchendriya Jalam Nadim. These Panchendriyas are compared here like a river, wherein Kama, Krodha are like crocodiles. Grahavatim. Kama and Krodha are like crocodiles in the river of Panchendriyas. Beautiful picture. Panchendriya Jalam Nadi. Panchendriya Jala Nadi Vartate Tasyam Nadyam Kidrushi Nadi Punaha Kamakrodha Grahavati Nadi. Grahavati Iva Nadi. The river is like a crocodile. Like a crocodile in the form of Kama and Krodha. Crocodile in the form of Kama and Krodha. So he is asking, Dhutimayim Navam Krutva. So you make a boat to cross this river of Panchendriyas, wherein two crocodiles are waiting to devour us. You make Dhrutimayim Navam Krutva. Make a Nava, boat of courage. Patience is given here, courage is better. Dhruti. Make a boat of courage. Courage boat. You take the help of the courage boat. Krutva Janma Durgani Santara. Then you cross over Janma Durgani. Santara. You cross over Samyaktara. Cross over the difficulties of this material life. So, making a boat of courage. Courage, convert courage into a boat and then cross over the difficulties of the material life or Janma life, whatever it is. So, very picturesque way of describing. So, Bhavartha you can read. Ayam samsaraha. This life, material life is comparable or is compared with a river. Nadi tulyaha bhavati is like a river.
Yatra kamakrodha
Rupinaha
makaraha panchendriya rupa jale santi.
Yatra nama yasyam nadyam yasmin samsare. Ayam samsara, this samsara. Yatra yasmin samsare nadi tulya samsare. Yatra nama yasmin nadi tulye nadi samane nadi samane samsare, where in the river like material life, kama krodha rupinaha makaraha. There are crocodiles in the form of kama, krodha, lobha and mada, matsarya, etc. Kama krodha rupinaha makaraha panchendriya rupa jale. And where are these crocodiles living? In the river water, in the water of panchendriya. Panchendriya rupa jale. Panchendriyas are like here compared with the waters. They are there. So the crocodiles are living in the waters of panchendriya, etc. Next sentence.
Imam samsara nadim dhairya rupina naukaya santare.
That is. So his correct word dhruti means dhairya used here. Imam samsara nadim, etam samsara rupi nadim. This river in the form of material world, dhairya rupina naukaya samtara. You cross with a boat of courage. Dhairya rupina naukaya. Naukaya santaret, samyak taret. One should cross over this river of material life with the boat of courage, with the boat of dhairya rupina naukaya. Nauka shabda is Strilinga shabda, naukaya, therefore santaret. So every ayam samsara nadi tulya, very simple bhavartha. I think English is also okay. You got to win over the difficulties of life by crossing this river of world, having lust and anger as crocodiles and the five senses as water. With the help of the boat of patience, courage is better, not patience. Although dhruti means both, but you can take that. Is it clear? Anything more? Dhrutihi, dhrutimayi, dhrutya, dhrutimayim krutva. Navam dhrutimayim navam krutva. Janmanah durgani, janma durgani, janmanah kastani iti. Janma durgani means janmanah kastani, the difficulties of the birth. Samyaktara santara nadim. Nothing more here, Srinivas? Yeah, one sambaddaha ekaha eva slokaha dattaha asti, vayam patama.
Udyamah sahasam dhairyam buddhihi shaktihi parakramah shadete yatra vartante tatra devaha sahaya krita.
There is a Subhashita taken from Subhashita Ratna Bhandagara. Udyamah sahasam dhairyam buddhihi shaktihi parakramah. 6 qualities are spoken of here. Shad gunaha atra kirtitaha. ते गुणाः एवं सन्ति. एकः उद्यमः, द्वितीयः साहसं, तृतीयः धैर्यं, चतुर्थः बुद्धिः, पंचमः शक्तिः, षष्ठः पराक्रमः. एते षड् गुणाः सन्ति. षडेते यत्र वर्तन्ते. एते षड् गुणाः यत्र यस्मिन् पुरुषे वर्तन्ते. यस्मिन् कस्मिन्नपि पुरुषे एते षड् यदि वर्तन्ते तत्र तस्मिन् पुरुषे देवः सहायकृत् भवति. तस्मै पुरुषाय देवः सहायकृत् सहायं करोति इति. कस्मिन् सहायकृत् भवति देवः? यस्मिन् एते षड् गुणाः विद्यन्ते, वर्तन्ते, विद्यन्ते, विलसन्ति. उद्यमः industry. Udyamah means effort. One who is ready to put in effort. Sahasam, adventure. Sahasam is adventure. Dhairyam, courage. Buddhihi, intelligence. Shaktihi, power. Capability. Shakti is capability. Parakramaha, valor. Heroic quality. Parakrama is heroic quality. So effort, adventure, dhairya, courage, buddhi, intelligence, shakti, capability, parakrama, valor. Where all these qualities are in a person found, that person will be helped out by God. God will not help weak man. So to say, God will not help a weak man. Sahayakrut devaha sahayakrut bhavati. This reminds me of a quotation from the Rigveda. Whom does, like we have a quotation from Upanishad, Nayamatma pravachanena labhyo na medhaya na bahuna srutena. This Atma is not attainable. Na ayam Atma pravachanena labhyaha. Just by listening to lectures, the soul cannot be obtained or achieved. Na medhaya, not by intelligence. Na bahuna shrutena, not by various study of the Shastra Veda. Bahuna shrutena. Even if one is Chaturvedi, knows all the four Vedas, there is no guarantee that he will be knowing the Atma Tattva. Atma cannot be obtained by him. Ayam Atma pravachanena labhyaha, na medhaya labhyaha, na bahuna shrutena. Yameva vrunute. Yameva vrunute tena labhyaha. Yameva vrunute esha tena labhya. Tasya vibru faltering there. Vibrunoti atmam swam. Swam atmanam. Not clicking. My memory is failing there. So I will give you the essence. Yameva vrunute. Whomever he selects, God, tena labhyaha, by him he is obtainable. And to that person, whomever the God selects, he can know the soul, the Atma, and to him he will reveal all the secrets that is there. So the question is, whom does he like? If we cannot know the truth, Atma, the sign, the Atma Tattva by pravachana, by buddhi, by shruti. Shruti said no. By buddhi vala, no. By pravachana, no. Then he selects. Whom does he select? Whom does God select? So to that, somewhere in the Rigveda, I don't remember the number, but there is a statement, Na rute shrantasya sakhyaya deva. Gods do not become friendly to a man unless and until he tires himself. Na rute shrantasya. Without being tired totally. Tired on the path of finding the truth. Not on the wrong path. Everybody is tired doing work. That is not the tiresomeness there intended. Na rute shrantasya. Without being totally tired in the path of self-realization, na rute shrantasya sakhyaya deva. Gods don't become friendly to him. Gods become friendly and help that person who is totally tired on the path of self-realization. That is where the statement comes. Gods befriend that person, none but him who is totally tired. So something like that, this sloka says, Yatra ete shad gunaha vidyante yasmin purushe tasmin purushe eva devaha sahayakrut bhavati. A simple sloka. Okay, we pass on to the last one in this Panchaka. Vruddha sevi na muhyati. Vruddhanam sevi na muhyati. A person serving the elders is not confused. He is not confused, rather. Yeah, you can go.
Prajna vruddham dharma vruddham swabandhum vidya vruddham vayasa chapi vruddham karya karye
pujayitva
prasadya yah sampruchenna saha muhyet kadachit.
Okay, you can do the padacheda.
Prajna vruddham dharma vruddham
swabandhum
vidya vruddham वयसा च अपि वृद्धं कार्य अकार्ये पूजयित्वा प्रसाद्य यः संपृच्छेत् न सः मुह्येत् कदाचित्.
Yes, muhyati means said confused, deluded, etc. Moha, muhyati now moham anubhavati, na moham anubhavati. Yes, Anvayartha you can read.
यः कार्याकार्ये प्रज्ञावृद्धं धर्मवृद्धं विद्यावृद्धं वयसा चापि वृद्धं स्वबन्धुं पूजयित्वा प्रसाद्य संपृच्छेत् स कदाचित् न मुह्येत्.
One sentence, nowhere is stopped. Anvayartha is that यह पुरुषः कार्य अकार्य कार्यं च अकार्यं च कार्याकार्ये प्रज्ञा वृद्धं प्रज्ञया वृद्धं प्रज्ञा नाम बुद्धि धिया वृद्धं प्रज्ञा वृद्धं धर्मेण वृद्धं धर्म वृद्धं धर्मे वृद्धं विद्या वृद्धं विद्यया वृद्धं. One who is old by learning, one who is old by following dharma, one who has become old by wisdom. Pragnaya vruddham, dharmena vruddham. Vidya, prajna shabda is strilinga, dharma shabda is pullinga. Pragnaya, therefore we put them in tritiya. Pragnaya vruddham, dharma vruddham, vidyaya vruddham, vayasa, vayo vruddham here. So, vayasa vruddham cha api vayasa cha api vruddham swabandhum swasya bandhum pujayitva. A man yaha manavaha etan etadrushan sarvan atra varnitan sarvan vruddhan sampujya pujayitva. Having worshipped these people described here, starting from Prajna Vruddha, Dharma Vruddha, Vidya Vruddha and Vayo Vruddha. Swabandhum cha. Kevalam Vayo Vruddham, Swabandhum cha. Etan sarvan kim krutva? Pujayitva. Prasadya nama pujayitva. Santoshya. Prasadya name sampujya. Prasadya sampujya. Having respected them, having worshipped them, having pleased them, samtoshya, sampujya, prasadya, pujayitva, prasadya, prasadya is samtosha, having pleased them, having respected them and pleased them, that is pujayitva, having respected, and some prasadya means having pleased them, pleasing them by way of respecting. Understand, Srinivas? Pujayitva prasadya. Pujananantarameva prasadanam. It is. That is what we see even in temples. First puja, then prasadana. Or first prasada, then puja. Which is first? Puja comes first, isn't it? So, first respecting them, worshipping, here we need not take the worship word, respecting them and thereby making them pleased. Samtoshya. And then prasannam krutva, that is what? Sampujya, prasadya, sampruchet. Then one must ask a question. Sakadachit namuhere. You ask any question after first respecting them and making them pleased, tada sampruchet sakadachit namuhere. Tadrusha purusha na kadachit muhyet muhyati. Such a fellow will never be deluded, will be never confused in life. If you have to ask anything, if you have a doubt to ask anyone, first please them. It amounts to same Gita sloka, tad vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya. Gita also says the same thing. Tad vidhi pranipatena, is it given there? No, not given there. Pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti te jnanam jnanino tattva darshinaha. Srinivas, I don't remember the number. Index is there, this doesn't have. Sloka index is not there. Tad vidhi pranipatena pariprashnena sevaya upadekshanti ते ज्ञानं ज्ञानिनः ज्ञानिनस्तत्त्वदर्शिनः तत्त्वदर्शिनः ज्ञानिनः ते तुभ्यम् उपदिशन्ति किं ज्ञानं कदा तद्विद्धि यू नो इट प्रणिपातेन फर्स्ट सरेंडर परिप्रश्नेन देन क्वेश्चन देन सेवा डू सेवा सो हियर समथिंग लाइक दैट इट इज सेड संपृच्छेत स कदाचित न मुह्येत सच अ पर्सन नेवर becomes confused or bewildered. So bhavartham you can read. Yaha karya
vivekaya jnana dharma vidya vayo vruddham sambandhu.
Oh, he has merged all jnana dharma vidya vayo vruddham all together he put. Swabandhum sampujya
prasannam vidya.
No, prasannam vidhaya. Having made them pleased.
Prasannam vidhaya
प्राप्नोति कदाचन अपि न मुह्यति. सो यह मानवः मनुष्यः कार्य अकार्य विवेकाय फॉर द नॉलेज ऑफ व्हाट इज गुड एंड व्हाट इज रॉन्ग ज्ञान धर्म विद्या वयोवृद्धम ज्ञानवृद्धम विद्यावृद्धम वयोवृद्धम च स्वबंधुम च संपूज्य पूजयित्वा प्रसन्नम विधाय दैट मीन्स संपूज्य संतोष्य प्रसन्नम कृत्वा विधाय विधाय नाम कृत्वा प्रसन्नम विधाय नाम संतोष्य हैविंग प्लीज्ड देम मार्गदर्शनम प्राप्नोति वन हु गेट्स डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम सच पीपल वाइज पीपल ओ एल्डरली पीपल older people who are experienced highly margadarshanam prapnoti one who gets the direction saha that person saha manavah saha manushyaha kadachana never kadachana api never in his life muhyati na muhyati he will be never will be confused or deluded he will never be deluded or confused. So that is the bhavartha here. And English translation is okay, I think. In the matters of do's and don'ts, a person who seeks the advice of those who are elderly in age, mature in righteousness. This word mature in righteousness is given dharma vruddha. Have knowledge of rules and are learned persons, jnana vruddha. After properly worshipping them, respecting them and propitiating them, pleasing them. Not propitiating, but that is I don't like this word, pleasing them. Propitiate is used only for deities. Worshipping, respecting them and pleasing them never feels deluded. That would be better. Universe. So kati sambandha slokaah santi dvau sambandhau slokau etena पंचकस्य अंतम गमिष्यामः. या एकम
धनं च धान्यं च गुरोर्वचनम् औषधम् सुगृहीतं च कर्तव्यम् अन्यथा तु न जीवति.
So Chanakya, you know, Chanakya Niti always is direct, very direct, saying dharmam dhanam cha dhanyam cha गुरोः वचनम औषधम च सुगृहीतं च कर्तव्यम् अन्यथा तु न जीवति. There are 5 things here, Srinivas, which should be properly utilized. Dharmam, dhanam, dhanyam, 3, guroho vachanam, 4, aushadam, 5. Guror vachanam, aushadam cha. So dharmam dharma iti eka, dhanam iti dvitiyam, trutiyam dhanyam, chaturtam guroho vachanam, aushadam panchamam. Sugruhitam cha kartavyam. Sugruhitam cha kartavyam. Anyata tu na jivati. So he says whenever sugruhitam kartavyam means they should be properly utilized. Well, you should take them in the proper respect, in the proper order. Sugruhitam kartavyam means you should use them in proper order. Dharma should never be used for self gain, self gain. Atmanah labhaya dharmasya परिवर्तनम न करणीयमिति. धर्मः धर्मार्थमेव तत्र भवेत्. So dharmam, dhanam, money also should be used properly. Sugruhitam kartavyam dhanam. Yadi dhanam asti chet, then we should, Niti Shastra says, danam bhogaha. Only two outlets are there if you have money. One is dana, another is bhoga. Otherwise, there is an outlet opened, nashaha. Third outlet is nashaha. Very beautifully put by Bhartruhari. Danam bhogo nashas tisro gatayo bhavanti vittasya. Money has only three outlets. Either you give it out in the form of charity to the most. Well, that is a different discussion. We already have told you in the beginning classes. Dana is not a simple that you see anybody and give it out. No. Yeah, you should know whom to give, where to give, what for to give, how to give, etc. etc. Several ifs and buts are there in dana. So one should know how to do dana also. So dhanam, what I said, dhanam bhogaha. If money is there, you either give in charity or you enjoy for yourself. You have every right, the owner has every right to enjoy in proper way. If neither you give nor you enjoy, then nashaha. Automatically it takes the third alternative outlet. Nashaha. There is an outlet called nashaha. You don't give, you don't enjoy, then that money will go through the gate of nasha. It will escape. It will perish. Tisro gatayaha bhavanti vittasya. Yona dadati, the one who does not give, na bhungte, nor enjoys, tasya trutiya gatihi bhavati. His money will take the third alternative. Rightly said by the great Bhartruhari. So here, dharma should be used properly, dhana should be used properly, dhanya, no hoarding of food. Food hoarding is a sin, crime. So dhanya is there, you take as much as you want and then give out. Properly use that also. Dhanyam api sugruhitam kartavyam guroho vachanam, guror vachanam. If Guru has commanded you, given you an adesha, then it should be properly executed, properly followed up. Guroho vachanam sugruhitam kartavyam. And finally, aushadham api sugruhitam kartavyam. When you take medicine, you should follow the restrictions applied to that. Like even in modern allopathy, some tablets are to be taken before food, some are to be taken after food. So maybe there are some which are taken during the food also, they are there. So you should follow the prescription, right prescription. Like that, aushadham api sugruhitam kartavyam. It should be taken properly. Only then man lives, otherwise man cannot live. Then finally he says, Chanakya Niti, sugruhitam cha kartavyam anyatha, otherwise, what? Anyatha tu na jivati, that man doesn't live. A man who violates dharma will not be living a proper life. A man who does not use properly dhana na jivati, yaha dhanyam, dhanyasya sugruhitam na karoti, sopi na jivati, yaha guroho vachanam na palayati, sopi na jivati, yaha aushadam samyaktaya na svikaroti, saha api purushaha na samyak jivati iti tatra saraha tatparyam. So these things should be properly used, administered rather. So 5 things, remember, dhana, dharma, dhanya. 3 are beginning with dha, dhana, dharma dhana dhanya, dhana dhanya dharma, you can say guroho vachanam aushadham cha. Next line.
Sarvatra gunavaneva
Chakasti.
Prathito naraha.
So one line from Subhajita Ratna Bhandagara here. Sarvatra, everywhere, gunavan eva, gunavan, dhanavan like. Gunaha asya santi iti gunavan. A man, a meritorious man. Sarvatra gunavan eva, gunavan eva chakasti, prakashati. Chakasti, prakashati. Everywhere the talented, the meritorious person only shines. The merited person shines. The efficient person shines. Gunavan. Sarvatra gunavan eva chakasti. Chakas is the dhatu Srinivas. Chakas to deepto, shine. Chakas is prakash. Prakashati. Chakaste means prakashati. Pratitaha. Pratita means adjective, famous. Viditaha. Viditaha. Pratitaha viditaha. Naraha. Everywhere, sarvatra, a meritorious person alone, eva alone, shines and is known. Everywhere, gunavan naraha eva. Sarvatra gunavan naraha eva chakasti prakashate pratitaha cha bhavati, and is also well known. He not only shines, he is known everywhere. He is known and shines everywhere. So, there is a nice quote like this, Srinivas. Gunaireva gauravam. Remember this. Gunaireva gauravam. You want respect, gaurava, it comes only through guna. Gunaireva gauravam. One gets gaurava, respect, through only gunas. Only your qualities. Same thing here. Gunaireva gauravam. You can't expect. See, we have to command respect, not demand. Demanding is threatening somebody. That is not civilized way of getting respect. You should command respect. And that commanding respect comes only through guna, through good qualities and merits. Last poem.
Yaha pruštva kurute karyam prastavyan swan hitan
gurun
na tasya jayate vidya kasminschinapi karmani.
This is also Subhajita Ratna Bhandagara. Yaha purushaha naraha pruštva kurute karyam. Yaha naraha pruštva karyam kurute. One who does his action, does his work having inquired first. Yaha naraha manavaha purushaha pruštva karyam kurute. Kam pruštva yaha naraha, understood, prastavyan swan hitan gurun pruštva karyam kurute. Further we are analyzing sentence. Yaha purushaha prastavyan swan hitan gurun pruštva karyam kurute. The one who does his work after having asked the teachers, having asked his own good teachers, hitan. Swaswan means one's own, hitan beneficial, gurun teachers. Now Srinivas, this gurun is which vibhakti? Dvitiya bahuvachana. Hitan is adjective gurun. Swan is an adjective gurun. Prastavyan is an adjective for gurun. See, everywhere Dvitiya bahuvachana. Prastavyan, swan, hitan going with gurun.
Swan means his own.
Is one's own guru. Swasya. So yaha purushaha स्वान् स्वस्य स्वहित गुरून् स्वान् हितान् गुरून् स्वान् हितान् प्रष्टव्यान् गुरून्. Such gurus who can be asked, who can be questioned. Pruštva, having asked them, karyam kurute. One who does his work having asked those who deserve to be asked and who are good, his own teachers. Na tasya jayate avidya kasminchidapi karmani. Na tasya purushasya tasya manavasya avidya jayate. Na tasya kasminchidapi karmani. Na tasya purushasya kasmin chit api karmani. To him, in any work, kasmin chidapi karmani. Tasya purushasya विषये तस्य पुरुषस्य यः एवं प्रष्टव्यान् हितान् स्वान् गुरून् पृष्ट्वा कार्यं कुरुते तस्य पुरुषस्य न कस्मिंश्चित्. You can derive that sandhi cheda you can do. Kasmin plus chidapi. Very simple. Kasmin chit plus api. This sandhi also was introduced in the last class. Na tasya jayate avidya. Na tasya purushasya kasminschit there. Kasminschit api vishaye karmani. Here karmani. Na kasminschit api karmani avidya na jayate. Ignorance will not be born. To such a person who does action after inquiring his gurus who are worthy of inquiring, he will not have any avidya, any ignorance or any problem. Not problem, avidya. Na tasya avidya kasmin chidapi karmani naja. That means he will not have any ignorance of any action. Yeah. Na tasya purushasya kasmin chidapi karmani avidya ajnanam na jayate. Avidya nama avijnanam. Ajnanam. Yeah. So that person will not have any ignorance of any act because he has already inquired from the most efficient gurus and started his work. He will have no ignorance with regard to any work. Is it okay? So it means the same thing. First you please your guru, you inquire through your guru and then do your act. What the main sloka says, prajna vruddham, dharma vruddham, swabandhum, vidya vruddham, etan sarvan vruddhan sampujya samtoshya yadi karyam kurute purushaha tasya na mohaha bhavati sa na muhyati iti. Such a person will not be confused or bewildered. Okay, this is also okay. So abhyasas are there. I think we can do the first one, very simple. Can we do? Just filling the sloka. Purushasya shariram, purushasya rajan. Sorry, what is this? This is
purushasya shariram ratha.
What is this given?
Ratha shariram.
Purushasya shariram rataha. Oh, this is given in a different way here. Indriyani niyati indriyani ashwaha. You have to write chashwaha. Indriyani cha ashwaha. Asya ashwaha, if you were to write but differently given this time. Anyway, purushasya shariram rataha. Okay? Indriyani ashwaha. Atma Niyanta. Bharata. Understand, Srinivas? Atma Niyanta. We'll write in the next class. Punya Tirtha Satyodaka. Second poem, I think.
Punya Tirtha.
Atma. First dash is Niyanta.
Atma Nadi. Atma Nadi Bharata. Punya Tirtha.
Oh, acha, you are taking from the second. Atma Nadi Bharata Punya Tirtha Satyodaka.
Satyodaka is already given.
Dhruti Kula.
Dhruti Kula.
Okay, then, oh, only first poem is only two. Third one, Trividham.
Tasyam.
Oh, one more is there. Tasyam Snataha Puyati. Punya Karma Ma Nityam Alobha Eva. Third poem. Narakasyedam Dwaram Nashanam Atmanaha Kamaha Krodha Tata Lobha Tasmadeta Trayam Tejat. Very simple that is. Fourth, Kama Krodha Grahavatim Panchendriya Jalam Nadim Navam Dhృతమయీం Krutva Janma Durgani Santara. Okay. 5. Yaha Prajna Vruddham. Just now studied. Dharma Vruddham Swabandhum
Vidya Vruddham
Vayasa Chapi Vruddham Karyakarye Pujayitva Prasadya Cha Sa Pruchenna Sa Muhet Kadachit. Let them do that. Not a big. Only first one is not fully given. I don't know why, but it's Shubham Bhuyat.